There's one turkey following the older duck. I keep saying it seems like one turkey is slightly more intelligent than the other.
And that might not be the one.
Well, true. But one of them, like, all the other birds will leave.
Photobomb.
There's a bobcat! All the other birds will leave and there'll be like one turkey like, oh no, I'm by myself. Help me. Oh my, there is a thing on my back suddenly.
Oh yeah. Here, let me turn it around. She's got a midnight on her shoulder. And I got a bobcat on my leg.
It's up and go sideways.